Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTS 3 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch. You can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button for a couple of seconds. After the watch turns on, you should see the list of languages on the screen, and you can swipe up and down on the screen to scroll through this list, find the language you like to use on your watch, and then tap on it to select it. I'm gonna select English, like this, so let's tap on it. And once you select the language, you will see the QR code on the screen. This means we need to download and install the Zepp application on our phone. To do it, we need to open the Google Play Store. Also, you will need to have internet connection to download the application. So let's open the Google Play Store. In the store, tap on search, type in Zepp, and then tap on search button. And you should see this application, Zepp, formerly known as Amazfit, developed by Huami with this icon. Now tap on the install button to download and install the application. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. In the application, you should see the login page. Basically, we need to either log in into a Zepp account or create a new one if you don't have an account. To create a new account, you can tap on sign up. You can also use the third-party applications like Google, Facebook, Xiaomi. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address. Then tap right here and enter the password, so give me a couple of seconds. And once you're done entering the credentials, you can tap on sign in to log in. After you log in into an application, you will see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon. You should see the My Devices category right here. Tap on Add Device. And then tap on the Watch category. Here, tap on Got It. Allow the permission for the location. The app will want you to allow the permission for the location all the time, and it's gonna bother you about it quite a lot. So I'm gonna just allow it, but you can keep it on allow while using the app or ask every time, but remember that it's gonna bother you about that. So once you allow the permission for the location, you need to tap on Got It and allow the permission for the pictures and video. And after you allow the permission, you should see this on the screen. Basically, we need to scan the QR code from our watch with the phone's camera. So we need to pick up our phone and point it on the watch. And once the phone scans the QR code, it's gonna start pairing the devices together. For some reason, it has problems with connecting devices together. Let me tap on cancel and quickly open the Bluetooth settings. Okay, I don't see anything right here, so it's not this. Let's try again. So let's go back to app, tap on watch, scan the QR code, and hopefully this time it will connect. Okay, this time it worked. So we can tap on the check mark on the watch to confirm. And here we can basically copy the data, like settings from the different device, and also like PAI settings, so like training and stuff like that. So if you have any settings saved on the account, you can copy them to your watch, or you can simply set up the device as new by tapping on Set as New. So if you want to copy the settings and data to your watch, check the boxes right here, and then tap on Synchronize Account Information. If you want to set it up as new, tap on Set as New Device. I'm just gonna tap on Set as New Device. Then tap on Done. And here we have a tutorial how to use our watch. We can go through it by swiping left on the screen. And once you're done, you can tap on Done button. And at this point, you should see the device page for your GTS 3, and also you should be able to use your watch. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.